Wow, guys, this was a nasty drop. Whew. Talk about throwing some ice water. The Fed definitely did that this morning. Okay, so basically, they didn't say anything about what they're intending to do at the next meeting next month, but basically, Powell essentially said that he's going to do what it takes to keep inflation down. Okay, they want jobs to to basically decrease. They want more unemployment. They want to loosen the job market, you know, and yeah, essentially that's their focus, is loosening this job market and keeping inflation down. And so uh, basically he's going to do what it takes to make sure that happens, and that's why you see the market is dropping so hard, so fast right now. But on a good note, that means that we know chances are we're not going to be Paul Volcker unless he has to, but they're going to maintain a tight policy for quite some time. So that's the bad news. Okay, how long is some time? We don't know. Could that be 4 years? Could that be a decade? Could this next decade be the opposite of the decade we just had? You know, could we have a decade where the market, due to tight monetary policy, doesn't perform as usual? You know, and that's a lot of unanswered questions that is cause for concern. So, you know, and the market is reflecting that right now. That's why we dropped 75 points, guys. That's a hell of a drop. We broke back above the 4,200 level, and we held it strong until this morning. So let's look at the NASDAQ here. Man, that's a hell of a drop, guys. Just wow. I hope you guys, if you got caught up in this bloodbath, you know, and this changes my targets, guys. Okay, we have to go from being bullish to bearish, because that's what the market is showing us it wants to do. So we don't marry a thesis. So what does that mean for us? Well, personally, I want to see 12,800s taken out. And if that happens, then my target would be around 12,750 for the NASDAQ. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our price target here around 12,750-ish or so. Right? So that'll be my target upon the breaking of this 12,800s. Okay, I expect that to be hit, since we're going to the downside, and maybe even going lower, but that'll be my first target right here. Okay, on the ES, first target to the downside is gonna be, well, breaking this 4,100 level. I want to see 4,100 broken. So that'll be my first target there. We're going to go ahead and put that in. We're going to draw a rectangle here, because we want to see 4,100 taken out. We want to see that level broken. Okay? That's what we're targeting, guys. So, yeah. So, what about Forex? Well, the dollar is most likely up, guys, and gold is down. So, we can short gold. Right? You can short gold. You can go short the euro, because the dollar is strong. So let's look at DXY. It's going to be up. And yeah, it looks red, but that's because it was red before this morning. See, this is what's going on now. It's coming back up. So you want to be shorting the euro if you're into forex. I mean, you can almost short anything against the dollar right now, guys. I mean, Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh. Man, that drop was vicious this morning. 600 pips. Wow. It dropped 600 pips right here. That's a serious drop, guys. Serious drop. So yeah, I'd be definitely preparing to short the euro. So with that being said, guys, leave your questions, comments, concerns below. What are you doing to take advantage of this drop that's coming up? Once again, we've had that we're flipping our bias for this next week and for the near term from bullish to bearish until at least the next September meeting. Okay. Now remember, the market does what it wants to do, right? We just try to get ahead of it. So in this case, we're flipping our bias and doing what the market is wanting to do anyway, which is go down. Okay. So yeah, what are you guys doing? What's your questions, concerns you have? If you enjoyed this analysis, be sure to share this with someone that's interested in learning about the markets, and someone who's trying to learn about the markets, or maybe already participating in the markets. Be sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys Monday, potentially Sunday. If you want me to come on Sunday, let me know. Alright, otherwise I'll see you guys Monday. Peace. Have a good weekend and happy trading today.